All right, so today we're going to be taking a deep dive into this Somali law firm, Garnaqsi Advocates and Legal Consultants. And, we've been seeing them pop up more and more, and you guys wanted to know more, so we did some digging in their company profile.
Yeah.
And wow, there's a lot to unpack here.
Yeah.
I mean, they cover everything from like these huge commercial deals to land disputes, even criminal defense.
Right.
It's a really interesting mix, especially when you think about the legal landscape in Somalia.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I think what's fascinating to me is how they're really trying to position themselves, it seems like, very consciously as this like pioneering firm in Somalia. They highlight their dedication to both professional excellence and giving back to the community, which you can really see in their capacity building plan. They're putting resources, they're investing in developing the expertise of their team.
Right.
Which is pretty impressive for a relatively new firm. I mean, they were founded in December 2021 by Avv Kadiye.
Yeah, it's not just about ticking boxes for them, though, right?
They really emphasize these peace values. Professionalism, ethics, accountability, customer satisfaction, and efficiency.
Mm-hmm.
And they don't just list them out. They give specific examples in their profile of how these values actually show up in their work.
Right. Right. And that's such a smart move because it really shows that they're walking the walk, not just talking the talk.
Mm-hmm.
And these values are becoming so important in the legal profession globally.
Yeah.
I mean, clients these days, they don't just want someone who's competent. They want to know that their lawyers are ethical, that they are really committed to their needs. And in a place like Somalia, where the legal system is still developing, having a firm that's really championing these values can really be a game changer.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's like they're setting a new standard almost for legal practice in Somalia. And speaking of game changers, I mean, their client list is pretty diverse.
Oh, yeah.
You've got these big names like Dahabshil, the money transfer giant, but then you also have organizations like Action for Development and Research, ADR.
And even the Ministry of Women and Child Development.
Right.
What do you think that tells us about Garnaqsi's approach, their role in Somali society?
Well, I think it suggests that they're not afraid to tackle complex and sensitive issues.
Right.
I mean, think about the legal challenges that a development organization like ADR might face in Somalia. You've got land rights, regulatory hurdles, navigating the complexities of international aid. And then you have the Ministry of Women and Child Development, which really speaks to their commitment to social issues and using the law, to protect vulnerable populations. It's a very holistic approach to legal practice, I think.
Really is. Okay, so let's dive into some of their practice areas. I mean, we could spend hours on each one, but let's pick a few that I think really highlight their unique position in Somalia.
Okay.
So first up, their commercial practice. They actually boast a lot of experience with mergers and acquisitions, which I imagine must be so intricate within the Somali regulatory environment.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. I mean, that's where